Hello everybody, I'm back. I promised to make a long form video of the stretches that I broke down in previous videos. As a reminder, if you feel like you can't get on the ground and up again, you can also start these stretches in the bed and get used to it before you get on the ground. Also, just as a reminder, it's really important for us to stretch. Our muscles get tighter as we get older, and we want to hydrate. We want to stretch daily. And in order to really lengthen a muscle, you need to hold it and breathe through the stretch. And as we get more flexible and more range of motion within our joints. So, just a quick reminder. Drop the ear to one side. Take the chin, bite down, and look up. Other side. Bite down, look up. And we're going to drop the chin, keep the shoulders back, and do half the circles at the bottom. Arm across, pull it in. Up, nice and easy. Underneath. And switch. Up, back, underneath. Sit up really tall. And we're going to try to just breathe through these stretches. So try to relax and just hold the stretch. Make sure you breathe in, count to 4, and then exhale for 4. So slow down the breaths. Flat back hinge forward. And up. Bring them closer to you. Flat back hinge forward. And up. Go ahead and extend one leg. Flat back over. And up. And reach over. Let's switch. Flat back over. And reach. Alright. Forward. Up. And flat back over. Try to keep your hands, your arms by the ears, and then we're going to relax, reaching forward. Don't forget to breathe. And roll it up. Let's do that again. Flat back over. And relax. Go ahead and lay on the back. Extend one leg up and lift. Grab underneath and pull and just breathe. bring them both up. Let the knees fall to one side while you look the opposite way. And switch sides. And up and just feel a stretch through your core. And down. Now lift up one foot and hold. You'll feel a stretch through your quad. Up again. And you can even possibly lift up. Okay, for now we're going to lean back. We're going to drop both knees to one side. Switch. Pull the toes back. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe. And I will see you next time.